Show here again, and today we're going to be doing yet another wig review, and this wig review is brought to you by Braids Queen. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So you guys, I'm super duper excited. Like, it may not seem like it because I'm so nonchalant. It's the Aquarian in me, but I'm so excited to be here with you guys. It's been a while since I've done a wig review, and I'm just overall just like ecstatic to be here. Happy 2021. I am just so grateful to be here another year with you guys. I know that over the last few months, or even just last year, I took a lot of breaks and I was just really overwhelmed, you guys. There was a lot of changes, nothing bad, but there definitely was a lot of changes in my life. We moved into a new place, so if you guys seen the change in like scenery in my backgrounds in my videos, it's definitely due to because we moved somewhere bigger, and I'm definitely so happy for that because I get a lot more space to be creative and just film better quality videos for you guys per se. But yes, let's get into this wig review. And so today's wig review is brought to you by Braids Queen. So my braid came in this beautiful pouch right here, and their wigs always come in this pouch. This is actually my second wig I'm reviewing from them, and in this wig review, it's gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna go over styling and just other extra stuff that I normally don't go through in my other videos. And of course, you guys seen the demo in the beginning of the video, but I do want to touch base a lot on that demo because I do want to explain a lot of things before you guys go ahead and purchase the wig and stuff like that. So first of all, let me get into the details of the wig. So this wig is, and I'm gonna butcher the name probably because the name is super long, but this is their creative box braid knotless slanted braided wig. And I probably said that wrong, but that's okay, sis, because I'm gonna be putting the link below where you guys can actually purchase this wig. The wig, I believe it values to $149. I could be wrong again, but I believe it values to $149 or $150, something like that. And sis, this wig is gorgeous. Like, this wig is slaying, it's banging, it's super duper natural looking, and it is pretty, moderately easy to actually put on. It wasn't that bad to put it on. Now, in my pouch, I did receive, and I kind of lost these little string things I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, but it's like different color strings. I actually have one right here in front of me, but it's different color strings like this, and I don't really know what these are for, but I guess these are to wrap around the braids. I haven't played with it. Normally with Braids Queen, they do be sending me like these little clips that you put on your braids or locks and stuff, and I think those are actually nicer than these because I feel like this is a little harder to put on. But they were kind enough to send me this, and I think that was actually a really cute detail on their part. They also did bring the package did bring some wig caps, which I have on, which I use for the ball cap method, and it did also come with some like extra straps to adjust inside the wig, which was actually pretty nice as well if you are more on the big headed or small headed side. I believe I am small headed, so the wig cap construction is pretty large. I did have to adjust my straps, not the big bands, but the actual straps in the wig. I did have to adjust that, and when I did install the wig in the back, I did put the comb into my hair back here, but I did do the ball cap method up here in the front because I wanted it to look super natural. Now let's get into styling. Now the styling of this wig was super easy for me. This is actually the second time, like I said, that I've dealt with a Braids Queen wig, so it wasn't hard at all, but I did mess up though. I am a beginner. I am not a professional, you guys. I don't do this for a living. I do YouTube videos for you guys, but I can only do my hair. I can't do other people's hair. So I'm still still learning the ball cap method a little bit. And I think I did pretty okay for a beginner, but I did mess up right here in the sides. As you guys can see, I'm a little too bald right here on this side. And I could have executed the baby hairs a little bit better, but thank God there's some hair here to cover that up because sis, I don't want that showing. But I would definitely go outside with this wig on. The lace is super transparent and soft. It is not that type of lace that looks like window screens or anything like that. It is super soft and super transparent. Look at that lace, sis. HD lace. That is what I'm talking about, lace transparency. This is a transparent lace. This is what we need in all these wigs that are coming out now, because this lace is super bomb. This is the second time that I will say this about a Braids Queen braid wig. They are amazing when it comes to the lace. Also, the way that the braids are neatly executed is perfect. Like, look at this. You got some boxes going on, right? You got some boxes, and it's not even right here just in the front. It's all around, all in the perimeter. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. And then the Fulani style right here in the front, they call it slanted, but I call it Fulani. This Fulani style right here is perfectly executed. Another thing that I could appreciate is, of course, the no lumpiness, sis, because a lot of times with these braided wigs, you get a lot of lumpiness, and I don't like that. We don't like that over here. We don't want to look like Predator. I don't feel like I look like Predator right now. I even asked my boyfriend, he's very blunt with me if something looks bad, and he actually commented first. Like, he said that looks really good. So, sis, that is coming from a man. And I mean, not that we need a man's opinion to validate how we look, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean, sis? Like, this actually looked pretty good. So another thing is also, like, there are some braids that are going to come attached to the cap. You can easily just like kind of pull that off if you want more body movement. But yeah, you're able to style this in different ways as well. Like I said, I didn't want to do that, and I kind of fell back from doing that because I did not execute this side right here. And it's not because of the lace of the wig, it's because of my wig cap itself. I did not lay the wig cap super flat right here, so there was like little pieces like popping up, and I had to do my best to glue it down because I kind of messed up right here. But I did leave a lot, and I mean a lot of lace space, which I normally don't, because I wanted a little bit more forehead space. I wanted my forehead to look a little tiny bit big so that it looked more natural, because of course when you're doing braids, it's a pull back style. Especially if you're doing either cornrows or like Fulani braids, it is pulled back a little bit right here. So I definitely love the fact that they combine the Fulani style braids and the box braids together. I think that's super cute. I think that with some little metal clippings, and I wish I had some spare ones, I just don't have anymore, this wig would have been like perfect. Like, this would have been a go-to and a keeper too, because a lot of times I let go of my wigs. But I'm debating. I really love this wig. I feel like for a lazy style where I don't want to do too much, this is the perfect wig. It looks natural, it's cute, and I feel like for a wig of this quality, it is super affordable. So I will be putting the link below where you guys can actually go ahead and purchase this wig. Let me go ahead and just show you the perimeters of the wig, because I did not show you the back, and I do want to show you that there is no weft showing, sis. So first of all, this is how long it is. I am wearing a thong, you guys, so when I turn around, don't mind my thong. But this is how long it is. And it's up to my butt. I am 5 feet tall, so everything does look a lot longer on me. And I do want to show you also the back. So I want to show you the back of my head. I want to show you that there is no weft showing. The fullness is beautiful. The body, the movement, everything. And the fact that this wig is so lightweight is my favorite part. I've tried other wigs from other companies that were braided, and I was not a fan. I refused to review them for a while. But when Braids Queen hit my channel, I was more excited about reviewing good quality, top quality braided wigs. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, happy New Year's, you guys. Thank you for being here with me. I hope that this year, I'm hoping to hit 10K. So make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel, sis, because I will be bringing more content. We're going to be bringing some raw content, more vlogs, more makeup tutorials, more wig tutorials, hopefully, because I'm trying to get my connections back. But hopefully we will get more of those wig reviews. And let me know what you think about this setup, because I'm loving it, sis. I think it feels so peaceful up here. I love filming up here. It looks so bright, happy. It makes me happy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram at @PeraltaNosBest. Make sure that you do check out Braids Queen on their website. Click that link. And also go ahead and click that like button if you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.